2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners KTM RC 390. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 KTM RC 390 stands out as an exceptional choice, offering an enticing blend of sporty performance, track-inspired design, and user-friendly features. Renowned for its dynamic character and aggressive demeanor, the RC 390 caters to novice riders seeking a sport bike that not only delivers on performance but also provides an exhilarating and focused riding experience. 1. Race-ready sport bike design. The KTM RC 390 showcases a design that mirrors its high-performance racing roots, featuring sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and a distinctive twin headlight setup. The bike's aggressive and track-inspired aesthetic immediately communicates its sport bike pedigree. The RC 390's design not only attracts riders seeking a bold and dynamic look but also sets the stage for an adrenaline-fueled riding experience. 2. Potent single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the RC 390 is a potent 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers an exciting and manageable performance. The engine's smooth power delivery and impressive torque make it an ideal choice for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The RC 390 offers sufficient power to provide a taste of the thrill of sport riding while ensuring a controlled and accessible riding experience for those in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. 3. Nimble handling and track-ready dynamics. Weighing in at a reasonable figure, the RC 390 features a lightweight and agile chassis, contributing to nimble and track-ready handling. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's responsiveness, allowing for precise control on both city streets and winding roads. The RC 390's balanced handling encourages skill development without overwhelming beginners, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an introduction to the dynamics of sport riding. 4. Aggressive sport riding ergonomics. The RC 390 is designed with a focus on sport riding ergonomics, featuring an aggressive and forward-leaning riding position. The clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs create a posture that encourages an engaged and dynamic riding style. While the ergonomics are focused on performance, they are designed to provide comfort during spirited rides, ensuring a thrilling and enjoyable experience. 5. User-friendly features. Tailored for beginners, the RC 390 incorporates user-friendly features that simplify the riding experience. The bike features straightforward controls, an easy-to-read instrument panel, and a manageable clutch, making it an excellent platform for riders new to the world of motorcycling. The RC 390 ensures that beginners can focus on enjoying the ride and honing their skills on a sport bike without being overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. Conclusion. In the diverse world of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 KTM RC 390 emerges as an exhilarating and track-inspired choice for riders eager to embrace the world of sport riding. Its race-ready design, potent single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, aggressive ergonomics, and user-friendly features make it an ideal option for beginners seeking a dynamic and engaging riding experience. Whether carving through city streets, tackling twisty roads, or exploring the potential of track days, the RC 390 offers a focused and thrilling platform for novice enthusiasts. As a testament to KTM's commitment to providing an exciting entry point into the sport bike realm, the 2024 KTM RC 390 rightfully claims its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.